In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Nova Video Player app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful play button. Once you tap on it, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want. Accessing the Play Store is essential because it is the official source for downloading apps on Android devices. Next, you will search for Nova Video Player. In the search bar, type in Nova Video Player and press the search icon. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up below the search bar. Make sure to select the correct app, as there may be similar names. This step is crucial because it helps you find the right application quickly, ensuring you don't accidentally download a different app. Now, select the official app published by Corvil Software. You will recognize it by its distinct logo, which usually stands out among the search results. Tap on it to open the app's page. This page contains important information about the app, such as its features, user reviews, and much more. Choosing the official app ensures that you are getting a legitimate version that is safe to use. Next, tap Install. This button is usually located on the right side of the app page. Once you tap it, the download will begin, and you will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is significant because it initiates the installation process, allowing you to access the features of Nova Video Player on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to start using the app. After a few moments, the Install button will change to Open. Tapping Open will launch the app for the first time. You may see some introductory screens or prompts to guide you. This action is important as it allows you to dive right into using the app and exploring its capabilities. Nova Video Player is a free, open-source video player that supports local storage, USB drives, and network shares. It also has features like automatic metadata retrieval and subtitle downloads. This means you can easily manage your video files and enhance your viewing experience. Knowing what the app offers helps you make the most out of it right from the start. In summary, downloading Nova Video Player on your Android device is a straightforward process. By following the steps we covered, you can easily access a powerful video player that fits your needs. Remember, each step is designed to ensure that you successfully install and use the app without any issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in getting Nova Video Player on your Android device. Enjoy watching your videos with this versatile app.